Okay guys, one of the features of this technology is the strong turbo water or the high alkaline water. What we're going to do is we're going to firstly test the high pH level that both machines claim to produce 11.5 to 12 pH. So what we're going to do is we're going to run both machines at the same time. So let's get the Kangen going. The reason I have to go to the back to get the Kangen going is because you have to turn it off and on with the water supply. So if I get the Tyent going, okay, so let's take the Kangen here. So you can see on the machine there, it's the 2.5 strong water. Yeah, and then we're going to take the turbo when that comes out from here. Okay, so turbo from there. So you can see here, if we go straight in with the pH for Kangen's high pH water, they claim 11.5 pH. So you can see there 9.79 or 59, yeah, 9.79. Okay. It doesn't go higher than that. So, and then if we take this out, look at the molecular hydrogen level in that. Now, even though you can't drink this water because we'll show you in a second that there's a chamber for the sodium hypochlorite and sodium chloride solution, okay, which goes here. If you just look over here then, just look here. So in this chamber here, so this chamber you put the electrolysis enhancer, not for drinking. So that makes the high acid and the low acid and the high alkaline water, and you put that solution in there. Sodium hypochlorite is a form of bleach, that's why we don't like really using that. But you can see, nevertheless, even with those solutions, if we look at the ORP, that was the hydrogen 136, and the ORP, so even with that enhancer, this is what you get, yeah? You get a negative 156. So the enhancer doesn't seem to be doing that much of a good job. Let's go into the Tyent one here. So you saw Tyent Turbo. Now with Tyent Turbo, guys, there's no enhancer port, there's no sodium port, so it works directly from the source water, so it's very organic. Let's start firstly with the pH level. So let's bring that over here. So if you go to the pH level, you can just see that 11.9, so it's close to 12 pH. So they claim anywhere between 11.5 and 12 pH. So that's actually standing by the claim. And then if we put the molecular hydrogen in that, you'll also see that the molecular hydrogen is firing up to 1740. There you go. If we leave it a little bit longer, it'll probably go to 1750, maybe more. And then just to check the relativeness of that with the ORP meter, look at the ORP meter there. So negative, let's see if we get a negative 900. Unbelievable. So you can actually see a very, very clear power difference between these two machines. In our opinion, we remained partial at one point because we tested both of these machines looking to join the Kangen business. But in our opinion, there is only one machine, and it is Tyent every day of the week, all day long. It's a simple case of one works and one doesn't.